You're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my passion twists. But before we get started, if you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button before you leave, and also the notification bell as well, so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get started. So guys, this company reached out to me a couple of days back. They're called Beyond Beauty on Amazon, and they sent me a pack of passion twist hair that is already pre-twisted. So this is what the hair came, this is what the pack looks like. This pack here contains 6 packs of passion twist hair, and each pack contains 20 roots. Let me show you guys what I mean. So in this pack you have 6 of these packs, and each pack like this contains 20 roots. Each pack contains 20 roots of these passion twist hair. The pack, they also gave me this a free mirror, a free crochet loop, and 2 clips, 2 hair clips was what they decided to give to me in this parcel. So guys, I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I make my passion twists. So for you to make your passion twists, first of all, you need to, you either braid your hair like I did, like this. Yeah, so you either put your hair in cornrows or you do the individual method. But today I decided to do the cornrows method. So guys, you put your hair in cornrows like this, and you also need your passion twist hair, of course. You need your crochet pin, and you need your styling mousse. This is the argan oil cream of nature mousse. Yeah, this is the argan oil cream of nature mousse. You need that, and you also need a hairspray. You need a hairspray. This is the one I'm using. The one I'm using right now is called Fantasia Shea Butter Sheen Spray. You can use any hairspray of your choice. So what you do is you place the crochet pin into the cornrow like this, and then you unravel the twist just a little bit and place the loop of the twist inside the loop, the lash hook, and then you pull it out, and then you take the loop, put your 2 fingers in the loop like this, and put the hair inside the loop. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I'll keep doing this till I'm done. One thing I forgot to note is that when you're making your crochet like this, you need to start from the front. Always start from the front, because sometimes when you start from the back, the pack of hair that you have may not be enough to go around, and then you stop halfway, and it doesn't make sense that way. Then you start taking it off just to fill in the front. So always start from the front, and then whatever is left, you take it to the back. It's always better that way. part of the hair, and everything that went into this part is one full pack. That means I used 20 roots for this part of the hair. So guys, just for a close-up look, so you guys can see what I'm doing very closely, I'll just do this one more time. So what you need to do is place your crochet pin very close into your cornrow, and then the lash hook, make sure it's open, and then you place the loop of the crochet braid into the lash hook. You close the lash hook and then you pull it through the braid. Then what you need to do next is to place your 2 fingers into the loop and then pull out the whole braid through the loop and tighten it. That's all guys, that's all you just need to do. So guys, I'm done with the front and I'm almost done 3 packs of passion twist hair, just the front. So I'll just do the back now. So guys, I am done with the crochet, and to be honest guys, I was trying so hard to make sure that I use all of the roots on this head, but I was able to use just a little bit less than 5 packs, and I have 1 pack left and just a few strands left from the 5th pack. So in all I used, let me just say 5 packs. So yeah, that was what I used. And the next thing I'm going to do now is to go in with my styling mousse and apply it all over my hair generously, and also use my hairspray on my hair and also apply some hair accessories. So guys, I am done with the install, and it literally took me about 1 hour 6 minutes to install everything on my head right now. Well, for now I can say I am loving the passion twist so far. It's really nice, it really looks very cute, but I can't say anything about the tangling for now, because of course it's a synthetic hair, so I expect it to tangle at some point. But overall this hair is amazing, I love it. I really love the braids, the way it makes me look, change my face, my whole face. Yeah, so guys, this is what it looks like literally. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share your comments in the comment section below, and also share this video because it goes a long way when you share the video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't also forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.